Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about Bitcoin. So let's get started. This is, I'm not going to show my old charts, you all know already. Or if not, then, watch my previous videos on my YouTube channel. So this is currently my count, wave count was 1, 2, 3, and I said it's going to drop for wave 4 somewhere here and to these highs, and it did. And at the same time, I made the weekly chart as well, showing that these white lines will be the target if it's going to drop. I was expecting this is going to come down here and then go up and then come down, but you look what happened. It's a zigzag correction, fast and furious, and came down straight, only 38% retracement for B, and then boom, came down here. So this is where I made the chart last week that this is probably we're going to be bouncing from here, and it will be making a wave. Either if this is wave A, then we're going to go up for B. If it is wave 4 finished, then we're going to go up for wave 5, A of one of wave 5. And if it is a correction, then it's going to be for, like I said, the B. Or if it's a new wave, so many different things. But either way, in any case, it needs to be going to the upside, even if it's an impulse wave or a correction, right? So this is the idea that, and I made this chart. So now I refreshed this chart. Why? Because it was there last week, and it is still here last week. I mean this week. So, but I'm, getting the feeling that it's going to be bouncing pretty soon, right? So daily chart, let's take a look at the daily chart. And this is the daily chart I made, and it's still there. This is the number. And I just found another number below. It's not showing here, 63,999. And let me see where 4 hour chart is the one, right? So if you pull the fifth from here to here, consider that this was the low, then this is wave one going to the upside back again. And then you can see A, B, and C here as wave two, if we are finishing here wave two, right? So that's a very big key fact that are we going to stop here or what? So this number 63999, 64748, we must go above this. If anything, if my count is correct. So if it is 1, 2, we're gonna go up for wave 3. Right? How many days? I don't know, but that's the wave count. Now the same chart on my Renko chart looks like this. Right. So it's a pretty big and a pretty solid bullish setup here. And it is exactly bouncing from 61. It went down a little bit more than 61, touching, let's say, 70.7, the middle number of level of, I mean, between 61 to 78, right? So, and then it looks like that we're going to be bouncing from here. So if this is wave one, this is wave two, we are going for wave three, must go above 64, 748. Just remember that. Right? 20-minute chart, that's my entry chart, and this is the breakdown. That's what's happening. 64,748 is right there, and 63,999 is right there. Right? So I actually, well, I don't want to say that, how I trade different, ways, right? So don't worry about that. So yeah, but stick to the plan, the system, and the setup, right? So we need a long setup for to get into it into the trade, right? But Omar, actually not me, but Omar already opened here, this bottom here. So let's see what happens if it holds, and then we go back up. Now, another thing that I want to show is the gold, right? So let me go quickly there, gold, and because I'm not getting enough time to make separate videos, right? So now, whoa, okay, so I close just now here, around here, right? Why? I'll show it to you. So now, monthly chart, remember gold monthly chart? It was like all the way up there, and it's supposed to be dropping for wave 4 here. It's still, this chart is good. But remember that we have smaller subwaves inside this wave, right? So if you look at the weekly, then we have this black count 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, and then 4, and then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to take a look at that. And daily. So in a daily chart, it's just 1, 2, 3, and wave 4. Now, wave 4 is not finished. And not to me, maybe it is, I don't know, but I think that it is only like wave A of four, then this is A, B, and C we are going up, and that would be wave B. And then we're going to come down for wave C to the downside. That's what I think. Let's see what happens. Right? So this is a correction, and it is in the correction reversal zone already. 60 in between 61 and 78. The middle number touched 70.7. That was my target when I went long. I'll show you why I went long. So this is what's happening on a daily chart. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart, and you can see that pull the fib from here to here, and then this is not telling much. This 4-hour chart, right? I don't know what is it. I'm gonna have to redo this chart. Now, going back, I want to show you something. My trade, let's say, for example, all I had today, I mean, yesterday and today is like gold, 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 gold. Because remember, I wasn't trading for last 2 months, gold, right? My wife came back from the hospital after the surgery, and gold requires more attention, focus, and all of that, and I wasn't able to give it to that. So I said, what the hell with it? I'm not trading. But now Trump coming back with his tariff, mumbo
500
jumbo.
short,
What the heck? Oh, okay. So I have my E on.
500 short,
All right, shut up. Okay, so this is the number.
500 short,
Man, let me just shut this thing up. Shut myself up, right?
500 short,
Okay. This one. Okay. Okay. So this is the one that I got yesterday, the entry on Sunday when the market opened up, and then the other one is like from here from 200 box size. This was a beautiful box by the book entry, and then all the way to 610 pip. But the thing is that this one was the base chart actually, and this is where I was taking the entries, and then finally I took the entry from this chart as well. This is a bigger chart, 1,000 box size chart. So this is the buy orders right there. So this is, you can see here that what is this is like A, B, C. Now you see the B is above this high and C is below this A. A little bit, right? It's a little bit higher than this, a little bit below than this. So this is called an expanded flat correction. Usually it happens in wave 4, right? Expanded flat. So it is also here as well. See that? Wave 3, then it's A, B goes above this, C comes down below this. So that happens a lot of times. If you know what it is, then you can trade beautifully. Anyway, so this after this, I said, well, let's see. So went up wave 1, and then again expanded flat here as well. You can see that A, B is above this, C below this, right? So that's where I started to take these trades, gold trades, and the basically, let me show you if I have the chart here open. Okay. Now I have made these. This is what I teach in my one-on-one, by the way. The plan, the trading plan. Now, if you look at the folder, it does say, is it here? No. Okay. Is it? Yeah, it is here. You see this trading wave number 1, then trading wave number 3, and then trading wave number 5. What the heck happened to 2 and 4? Now, 2 and 4 are corrective waves, and they are very dangerous. Now, within those corrective waves, that happens, like wave 2 will have 3 subwaves, right? A, B, C. So A and C are also impulse. Only B wave is the dangerous one, which is corrective as well, right? So if you notice that after 5, these 3 impulse wave, but the corrective waves A, B, C are that A and C are also impulse, consist of mostly 5 waves, right? Sometimes 3, but most of the time 5. So you can trade that as well. So I made the trading plan that how, if I locate any of these waves, how I will trade that. What is the plan? How do I get in the market? So if you look at the trade 1, for example, um, see this one here. So this is how, it's like trade 1 will have like it's wave 1, sorry, right? So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So wave 1, and that will be a wave 1 of the higher degree, right? So this one you can see here that right when you have small wave 1 and 2, you need to get in here. and then after 3 and 4 is finished, you cash out wave 3, then you cash out. I mean, you wait for the wave 4 to finish, and then you get in right here with the 20-minute setup or 15-minute chart. Then you wait A, you can trade A, it's the part of the plan. And then B, forget it, and then C you can trade. And then again from here the game start. And then again the game here, the game. So I found myself here in gold yesterday or today, right? After wave 3, wave 4, and I had here what I just showed you, expanded flat. So I used this strategy here. See how I trading plan for wave 5. How do you trade this wave 5? You see this one is like a small wave 1 and 2, you get in here. Then you cash out 3, 4, then you can get in here again. If you cash out here, and if you want, if the waves are going perfectly fine, then you just hold here, and then it will drop for wave 4 and then go for wave 5 with the calculation perfectly. And that's exactly, you can see what happened. Where the heck happened here? Here. So that was expanded flat in wave 4, A, B, C, then a small wave 1 and 2 subwaves, then 3, and then 4, and then boom, 5 right there. And my trade was, I just showed you, I closed right here for some reason. It went up a little bit more. Who cares, right? So this is the trade, right? So this is how, when I'm trading, I have a reason behind it. I have a plan in place, and then I only trade my plan. That's it. Nothing else. If it is not according to my plan, the price is moving randomly here, there, out of my plan, what the hell with it? I look the other way. Simple as that. So far, gold is behaving very, very good. And like I said, that Bitcoin is about to jump in my book. Let's see what happens, right? But it's very, very, a good position right now. All right, so play, according to the rules, and you will do just fine. And if you have any problem, like if you are my subscriber, if you don't know the box sizes for gold or for Bitcoin, just email me. I'll send it to you, or message me on the Telegram if you are, a part of my Telegram. All right. So, and all the, non-subscriber people, if you want to subscribe, go on my website here. Where? Here. Okay. So here is my website, right? So you can come here, you can subscribe here monthly, weekly, 6 month, yearly, or you want to sign for one-on-one right here. I have, I'm not taking money right now, but I still have room for two, always like maybe one or two or three. So yeah, I'm finishing some, and I can take some, but I cannot take too many at the same time. So if you want to learn all of this mumbo jumbo and then trade like this, then you want to consider this. All right. If not, if you don't want to do one-on-one, then just go with these courses, Elliott Wave, harmonic pattern, and then you will learn all this mumbo jumbo. This is nothing but Elliott Wave drama here, right? So you can 500 short still. Okay. Yeah. So gold is making 500 short. So then, I was expecting, I am expecting that it's going to flip from the top there as soon as it finishes the wave B, which is right here somewhere. So this could be A. Like I said, I made the chart. I don't know where the heck that chart go, man. Let me see. Let me see quickly. I can show you that I made the chart. Let's see, gold. I'll find it.
500 short.
Hey, stop, man. What's up? I just saw the damn thing.
500 short.
Okay, this is the chart I made. See that? So this is like we have 1, 2, 3. It's on a 4-hour chart. I made it on January. Well, this is not the one. This is not the one. This is very old. Where did that chart go? Okay. I have it saved somewhere, but it looks like I can't find it. It's not showing here. These are today's trade. Oh, forget it. I have it saved somewhere else, I guess. Anyway, so yeah, this could be wave 1 or A. and then we're gonna go up for B or C or whatever. Now, besides that, quickly, I'm gonna show you for my subscriber, because this video I will also send, make it public, and I'll send it to my subscriber as well. So let's go over. So this is my chart was, before the week started, and it's gonna go up from here to there. So far so good. It's going up. This one also it's supposed to go up, and it is going up now. Pound USD is supposed to be finishing wave two somewhere here and then go up. So it's very slowly it started to go up a little bit, right? Euro USD is similar. Pound yen, I was expecting that it's gonna go up fast, but it didn't. Why? Because yen index came down. So it went up a little bit, but then came down back to this 208.11 and now bouncing. So let's see. I think it's going to bounce and then go up again nicely. Euro yen would be the same thing. This is called a side wave. See this A, B, C. It's almost the same height and almost the same low, right? So that is called like a flat correction, not expanded flat. This is a flat correction. Euro yen is doing the same thing here. In wave two, you can say this is like after dropping. This is wave one, then A, B, C correction, wave two, then hopefully it is 50% already. And if we start to bounce, we will go up. Similarly, USD yen, I made the chart that's going to go up from here. So it started to go up, then it came down a little bit, and it's a perfect setup right now. Why? Because let me show you quickly here that if you pull the fifth from top to bottom, this is 61, then came down to 23% line, poke into it, almost like 11.4. I'm not showing that line here, but it touched the 11.4 and now trying to bounce. And if it's going to bounce, the first target would be 78, and then it will be a failed Gertle. It will be a Gertle at 78, but then it's going to fail, and then it will turn out to be like wave 1, 2, followed by wave 3 to the upside, right? So this is how it is for now. And I may not get enough time later on, so I'm gonna just finish it here and just trade accordingly. All right, so I'm gonna make this video public as well as send to everybody else, including my subscribers, and post on the Telegram as well. All right, so bye for now, and talk to you guys maybe tomorrow.